I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming legal access and practical gear. Carry permit, topo maps, GPS, compass, and water. Once done, program the GPS with the mine's initial coordinates and note 2 visual landmarks to triangulate. Make sure to park where you can legally and safely leave your vehicle, and plan a short reconnaissance walk to verify the map on the ground. This quick field check prevents wasted time later and establishes a reliable reference point for the detailed search ahead. You now perform a systematic sweep using GPS waypoint averaging and compass bearings from known landmarks. Walk parallel transects about 20-50 m apart depending on visibility. As you go, inspect rock outcrops, spoil piles, mine adits, and tailings for tools, timber, or ore traces. These subtle signs indicate the mine's structures. Once you spot promising features, document them with photos and geotagged waypoints, then annotate your map. This detailed method narrows the search and builds a field record for verification. You finish by confirming the mine location. Match adit orientation, spoil geometry, and nearby features to historical maps and your notes. Once matched, take a final averaged GPS fix and leave discrete but clear markers. Make sure to inform the landowner or managing authority of your find. If you encounter unstable ground, open shafts, or hazards, do not enter, record evidence, and report. This ensures the site is accurately documented while keeping you and others safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.